Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we will talk about how artificial intelligence is transforming two key areas in industrial maintenance: asset management and operations optimization. In an environment where maximizing equipment lifetime and minimizing operational costs are priorities, AI has become an indispensable tool to manage your assets efficiently and optimize every aspect of your operations. So, if you're ready to discover how AI can improve the efficiency of your business, let's get started. Today I will show you how to apply AI to maximize the performance of your assets and take your trading to a whole new level. Asset management refers to the process of maintaining and maximizing the value of a company's physical assets, such as machines, equipment, and production systems. Traditionally, this has been done through preventive maintenance programs based on schedules or manufacturer recommendations. But with the advent of AI, we can now make much smarter, data-driven decisions. Thanks to AI, we can analyze large volumes of data in real time, allowing us to anticipate problems, optimize the use of assets, and extend their lifespan. With AI, we move from a reactive or preventative approach to a predictive and prescriptive one. AI works by collecting real-time data through IoT sensors installed in the equipment. These sensors monitor key variables such as temperature, vibration, humidity, occupancy, power, etc. Artificial intelligence algorithms then analyze this data, detect patterns, and make predictions about when a failure is likely to occur. In addition to predicting failures, AI can also suggest the best actions to take, such as when to perform maintenance, how to optimize operating cycles, and what spare parts are needed to avoid unexpected downtime. This allows us to maximize the lifetime of assets and minimize the costs associated with their operation. The benefits of implementing AI in asset management are many. Some of the most important include longer asset life. By anticipating problems before they occur, you can plan maintenance more efficiently and extend the life of your equipment. Reduced operating costs. AI optimizes the use of resources, which reduces costs associated with unplanned repairs and downtime. Improved operational efficiency. By receiving data-driven recommendations, you can make smarter decisions that optimize the performance of your assets and minimize waste. Companies that implement AI in their asset management report a 20% improvement in operational efficiency and a reduction in maintenance costs of up to 25%. These benefits are direct and tangible. In addition to asset management, AI also plays a key role in optimizing operations. Thanks to AI, it is possible to analyze the performance of each production phase in real time and make automatic adjustments to improve efficiency. AI can suggest adjustments to machine speed, workload distribution, or energy usage to ensure operations remain as efficient as possible. It can also optimize maintenance scheduling to avoid disruptions to production processes. With AI, you can achieve greater uniformity in production, reduce waste, and improve the quality of the end product, which translates into greater competitiveness in the marketplace. To implement AI for asset management and operations optimization, you need the right data infrastructure. This starts with the installation of IoT sensors on the most critical equipment. Then that data is analyzed by AI algorithms, which can be trained with historical data to improve predictions and recommendations. Once the system is configured, AI can monitor and optimize operations in real time, making automatic decisions or recommending actions to operators to improve efficiency and extend asset life. Let's look at a case study of how AI has transformed asset management and operational optimization in one company. Before implementing AI, the company faced constant downtime due to unexpected failures. After integrating AI into their processes, they were able to reduce downtime by 35%, resulting in a significant improvement in operational efficiency. In addition, they optimized the use of their assets, extending the lifetime of their equipment by 25% and reducing maintenance costs considerably. If you are interested in learning more about how artificial intelligence can transform your asset management and optimize your operations, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'm here to help you discover how to apply these technologies in your business and take your operations to the next level. Thank you for joining me for this session on AI in asset management and operations optimization. In the next video, I'll talk about how you can integrate these technologies across your entire industry ecosystem for even greater impact. See you in the next session.